In this video, I reveal how I made $60 using a free traffic promoting a Fiverr affiliate program. Let's dive into the dashboard of Fiverr affiliates where I made $60 and I'm going to show you how I made it and how you can too. So here you can see this, guys. I bought total 53 clicks on the affiliate links, and then from 53 guys I got 46 as a unique clicks, and from 46 clicks 11 people has registered using my affiliate link, guys. Among 11 people, guys, 3 people has bought something, that is first time buyer, that I'm going to reveal. And from this 3 people, guys, I made $60 as a commission, and the conversion rate here you can see this. So step by step, guys, let me share you what this Fiverr affiliate program is. Type in the Google, guys, Fiverr affiliate, and here you can see the Fiverr affiliate program. Click on this and you will be landed on this page. So this is a Fiverr affiliate program, the home page, and here you can see just join as an affiliate, promote the Fiverr, and start earning the commission. So everything I'm going to show you in step by step. So everything they have given in the here in the same page. Before you're gonna understand what is Fiverr affiliate program is, guys, let's understand the product, the Fiverr itself. So hope you know about the Fiverr, guys. If you don't know, Fiverr is a platform, a freelancer platform for any kind of people who have a skill. For example, guys, if you're sitting in 160 countries, I'm going to show you who are those countries. You can make money with the Fiverr. Fiverr works everywhere, guys, and it pay you from PayPal or bank transfer. So many things are there. So for example, guys, if you have any skills, for example, if you have a skill like graphic designing or anything like this, here you can see this. If you have any of these skill in graphic designing or being a digital marketing, here you can see this, like video marketing, content marketing, email marketing. These are MySpace, guys. Here you can see writing and translation, video animation, that is video editing, all those things, right? Music and audio, programming, business, lifestyle, industry, all these things are over here, guys. So if you have a skill over here, wherever you are sitting, guys, you can just click here and you can join this program. This is completely free, guys. If you have a skill, and then what you have to do is, guys, for example, let's say if you have a skill on content marketing, let me click over here. So now, guys, once if you're here, you can see these are the profile of those people, guys, which is called as a gig, where you're going to show that how many years of experience you have and how you're going to do the content marketing. For example, guys, if I write a blog or videos, and if you know how to market it, you can make your profile over here. That is known as a gig. It's completely free, showing that how much experience you have, and also you can put how much you're charging. For example, it is showing in Indian rupees, guys. You can convert it. Some people are charging $5 to $10 to $50 or $100. That's all up to your experience and knowledge you have it. Same thing, guys, if you know how to do logo designing, guys, just go here. It's a free to sign up, create your gig, and show them how much you're going to charge them. Okay, and they will come to you. For example, guys, people like me who is an individual marketer, and if I need assistance to create a logo designing, I'll come over here and I will ask you, seeing your profile and asking to make me a logo, and I will pay you sitting there, So I am being an individual marketer, guys. Most of my works I take the help from Fiverr only, guys. For example, like video editing or something like video ads and all those things. So these are the people, guys, sitting somewhere in the planet, guys. They will help you to do the video marketing, and you have to or video editing, you just have to pay for them. So it's a buying and selling. If you have a skill, go and create the profile or the gig and sell your skill, and they will pay you, okay? And if you don't have a skill and if you're looking for somebody, you can still come over here and you can give them the work and pay for them, and they will give you the work. All this needs, guys, that's depend upon your skill, and you can make money from it. So right now, guys, as you can see, the Google Trends, work from home, and if you select the worldwide, so from December onwards, guys, December 2019 to March 2020, guys, there is a huge spike on work from home, make money online, as well as, guys, work at home kind of a keywords, worldwide. You can select by the country also, and people are looking, guys, and they want to work from home. Jobs are moving out, and here you can see which are the countries who are looking a lot of right? Working from home kind of a thing. So on that time, guys, Fiverr is an amazing platform. You can sell this platform. That's why I selected this platform, guys, as a product. Just you have to promote this entire platform in front of the right people, guys, and they will come over here and they will buy. So I'm going to show you in right how to promote it. So here we are in fiverraffiliate.com, guys. This is their website. You can go through the website. Here in the top you can see commission plan. If you open this commission plan, and here you can see their entire commission plan, right? I promote this one, Fiverr CPA, $15 to $50. This is how I promoting this one. Only I made $60, and they also have like right $10 CPA plus 10% rave share, Fiverr hybrid, and they also have a Fiverr Pro, Learn and Co. All these things are there, but guys, this Fiverr CPA convert very well with organic traffic. So also, guys, if you can see here, they categorize the commission according to the different categories, right? For example, if you promote something related to this, like game development, architecture, or book or ebook writing, right, whiteboard and animation, you'll make a $50 with this. And here you can see website builder, mobile apps, WordPress, e-commerce development and all. Okay, and here you can see, guys, web programming and all, and rest of all these things, right? You can make a $30. This is how I made, because I was promoting this short video ads. And then, guys, you also have like articles and blogs and rest of all those things, product description and all, right? $25 if you promote in this and somebody's going to buy. And then, guys, rest of all those verticals have only $15. So I made two sale from different verticals that I'm going to show you in a second, and one sale of this from promoting this short video ads. That's how I made it $60, guys. So I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, so now, guys, here if you can see that $15 to $50 CPA. What is CPA stand for? CPA stand for cost per acquisition or an action. For example, guys, so here if somebody is going to join like this, guys, this is a sign up form to join Fiverr affiliate. So I already given this the link of this Fiverr affiliate in the description. That is a second link so that you can easily join. So in case, guys, if you're going to submit all these things, if you sign up using my link, and if you're going to submit all this data, and if you go on one more slide, and if you complete those slides, if you complete the sign up process, I'll make a commission, guys. It's just very simple. That is known as cost per acquisition, right? By giving the detail. In other affiliate marketing, guys, like ClickBank and all, you have to make a sale. You don't need to make a sale, just you have to make the people to fill this sign up forms or submit the emails. That's it. Okay, and that's how you can make it. Now, one of the downside of Fiverr affiliate program is, guys, you can make $15 to $50 guy with the CPA of Fiverr affiliate program only when your buyer is going to buy the first time. Here you can see this, guys, first time buyer purchase. For example, guys, here I said that I made $30 promoting this niche, okay, or this category. So whoever has purchased from me, registered with me, and they purchase this product from my link, I made $30. And then later, if they're going to buy anything from the Fiverr, guys, I'll not make any commission from that. That is one of the downside of this Fiverr affiliate program. So there is no recurring income, right? I'm going to show you other platform from which I'm making recurring billings. Okay, that is a passive income, but there is no passive income. So now, guys, let's make a sign up here. So what you have to do is make it your account private or company, whatever it is. Just fill this, put your name, put your email, okay, here, and put the username over here, and then give the password over here and your country. And you can join in from so many different countries, guys. Here you can see this, almost I think 160 countries are available over here. You can select that countries and then put your mobile number or a Skype ID. Make next. So here, guys, tell us little about yourself. You have to show them, right, how you're going to promote this Fiverr, how you're going to promote their Fiverr link. So as I said, guys, this works really good with search engine marketing, that is SEO. That means you're having your website or YouTube channel. Also, you can promote in a Facebook page or group, Instagram. All these things work really good, guys. So you can select whatever the mode is there, right? For example, I'm going to use YouTube, as well as I'm also going to use the Facebook or Instagram. That's it, guys. So now tell us about your audience interest. So now they are asking which type of audience interest you have, what kind of a product you want to promote. So for here you can select anything, like for me it's a digital marketing. Okay, and then later you can promote any product. There is no limitation for that. Okay, and then right, I agree to the terms and condition. That's it, and register now. So now it's congratulations, your Fiverr account or Fiverr affiliate is ready. So from here you can start doing, guys. So now you have to put your username as well as the password and click here to sign. So here we are right now, and here you can see this. You have to click here, I agree to the terms and condition, privacy policy and promotional materials, and then you have to go for next. So now guys, here you can see this, all your dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payment, earning, commission plan, pixel, your sub affiliate, account detail, and affiliate user guide and affiliate store. So all these things are there, guide. If you get any confusion, you can go to the affiliate user guide. They're going to explain you very well. In if you open this user guide, you'll get all the detail about right how to use Fiverr affiliate and how to promote it. And here you can see this, guys. So payment, you can add the payment over here by clicking here. You can see the payment history, and also you can request the payment once if your threshold is reaching $200. Right, Fiverr is going to pay you monthly basis. And also guys, here you can see this affiliate user guide. Right, everything is given here in very much in the detail, so you can learn from here. You can see all your earnings also by clicking here. All the earnings will be going to show you here, right? You can select by the date, month, and all those things. And also guys, your commission plan, again the same commission plan will be here. Here you can see this, but don't get confused seeing this commission plan over here. Okay, here you can see this, your account detail. You should update your account detail, guys, properly, so that you can get the payment. Right, personal information, sources, payment detail. Here you have to put all the important things, right? What kind of a payment you need, the different way of getting the payment. Here you can see the payment method, currency you can select, and payment method. Right, here you can see this. You can withdraw direct from the bank, PayPal, right, and all other options are over here, so you can make any changes over here. So now guys, how you going to promote these things? For that guys, select the marketing tools. So if you select the marketing tools, here you have all marketing tools, private marketing tools, and default and deep links. So I will suggest you to go by all marketing tools over here, because it will allow you to select different landing page and all those JPG images to promote that I'm going to show you. Here you can see this, guys, all these things and their affiliate links are there. For example guys, if you want to promote in your blog or website, something like that, you can select all this. Okay, this is you can embed that thing by getting the HTML code also, or also you can get the affiliate link also. But here is one thing which I want to show you. If you click here, select by the brand, and here you can see the Fiverr CPA. Make sure you're selecting this only, not the hybrid, because you're not going to promote all these things. For me, I use Fiverr CPA only. And then guys, select here the type, right? What kind of images you need. Do you need JPG or you need a landing page? And then language, any language, there are languages given here. So in English, I don't need to select that. And right, all these things leave like this only. And the size, sometime you'll get the size when you're going to select the JPG image. If you select the image, you'll get the size also. Okay, and then once if you've done the show creatives. So now here you can see this, guys, this is a URL which you have to promote. Okay, and here you can see if you select, these are the landing page. Here you can see, okay, different size landing page is there. Okay, so if you click here, look at this, guys, this is your landing page when you're going to promote. Okay, and when they are going to sign up with this landing page, you'll make the commission. Okay, as well as here you can see different landing page and sizes there. You can also select by the or JPG image. For example, you don't want landing page, you want image, select this thing, show creatives, and now here you can see this is just a JPG image, banners and all these things are there. So this is how you're going to select any kinds of URL. For here you can click to copy all the URL. You'll see copy to clipboard. So now guys, another most important thing is, guys, default and deep links. So if you click here default and deep links, guys, you're gonna see like Fiverr CPA and all Hybrid and Co and Fiverr Learn. So why Fiverr deep links are really important? If you can see the commission plan, guys, here you can see this. If you're going to promote the whiteboard animated explainer videos, right, video and animations niche, you'll make a $50. So as I said that I made $30 with promoting a short video ads. So how are you going to promote this particular one vertical or category? For that, guys, go to the Fiverr here, and here you can see this. You have to select whatever the niche you want to promote, whatever the category you want to promote. For example, guys, in digital marketing, if you want to promote content marketing, video marketing, whatever it is, right, SEO, select that thing. And here you can see in video and animation, if you go here like short video ads, click this thing. And now, guys, if you want to promote this particular page, and this link in the top is known as a deep link. So how you're going to make it? Click, copy this thing from here, and then come over here and select this one and put your link here. That's it. And now here you can see this is your Fiverr CPA deep link. So if you click, it will copy and go to the Google, and here you can see if you select this thing, it will take you to the short video Fiverr landing page. Here you can see this, guys. So this is how you can promote. That's up to you completely, right? How you're going to promote this thing. This is the best way, right, for to promote any particular page to a particular, right, category of people. Okay, this is how you can get an instant sale instead of sending them to the landing page. Even to access all these things, to make their gig or to buy anything, they have to join you. So now, guys, how you're going to promote this deep link with a free traffic? So guys, one of the best platform to promote your deep link is creating your own Instagram page. Okay, for that, guys, first you have to type like video marketing, something like that, right? Video marketing or video ads, something like that, guys. You get into this kinds of group. Here you can see video marketing. So you'll get so many ideas how people are promoting their video marketing courses and things, right? So here you'll get a lot of ideas, and you can type video marketing tips also, and you'll get a lot of things like digital marketing, social media strategies, so many things you'll get, so that you can get some idea, right, how other people are promoting that. One of the best way to promote is, guys, creating one individual page by promoting that links over here. Okay, so you can get the links from here and make short this link bit.ly. As you know, that's very basic, I'm not going into that. You can short this huge big link with the bit.ly.com. okay, and then you can create your page like this. Okay, and you can put your edited link over here, and then provide values, guys. Why people is going to join you? When you provide values, show the people, right, what you know about videos, right, video marketing tips and tricks and all those things. Create videos, guys. Look at this, how these guys are creating videos. And you can give in the caption, like, if you want to create this kinds of a video, check the link in the description. Also, guys, you can type like video ads, and you'll get a lot of creative agency and so many different hashtags. You can get into this hashtag to get the ideas. For example, look at this, guys. Here one of the posts says your client is a click away, video ads, right? This is very simple. If you go to their page, guys, you will see they have a link over here. Okay, just very simple. Their page is known as Heavy Graphic Marketing. It's just very simple. They put the link over here. The same way you can put the link from the Fiverr, and you can provide tips and tricks, guys. That's known as value. So Instagram is one of the best thing, guys, to get the quick sale. You can promote any niche, guys. It's depend upon what you're selecting from Fiverr, what kind of a niche you're going into. Like, for example, graphic designing, digital marketing, writing. You can create on the basis of your knowledge, guys. That's why you have to select the niche or to promote the product where you have a very good knowledge. Okay, and then it's very easy to create this kinds of a page where you can provide tips and tricks, and you can promote the link over here. You can also make a post. That's the post as I showed you, free digital business card giveaway. This is one of the good way, guys. Look at this. He created a small videos. People are getting 4,197 views for these videos, 3 comments. This is one of the way. Another way is, guys, Facebook group or pages. This is one of my highly recommend to you if you really want to make good money with Fiverr promoting a deep link or particular niche, I will highly recommend you to create your own groups. For example, guys, here you can see there are so many people who have their own groups. Groups is one of the best platform still with Facebook. And then other than that, they have a Facebook ad. So, right, you can create like this. Here you can see Brian G. Johnson, Tube Ritual Video Marketing. So you can create this kinds of a private group, and then you can call the members in your group and provide the values, make a pin post, and you can make a sale with this. So if you don't know how to create a group and to make sales, guys, recently only I created a video about making money with Facebook group, guys. If you have not seen that, you have to watch that video. The link is popping up right now in the window. So watch that video, guys. Learn how to make money with Facebook group. Facebook group is amazing, guys. Once if you create the group and provide values inside the groups based on that particular niche. For example, guys, here you can see master thumbnail. So just very simple, guys. If you go to the Fiverr niche, here you can see you will get digital marketing, and under that, if you go, you'll get like video marketing and all, right? Email marketing, content marketing, any of these things, social media advertisement. If you go under that and if you put how to create a thumbnail, they will show you. For example, here, guys, YouTube thumbnail, attractive design in 3 hours. So you can promote this entire page, okay, with the Facebook group, creating this kinds of private group and providing values to them. And guys, the last free traffic source from which I made the sale is Quora, guys. My favorite is Facebook group, or it will be a Quora. So how I did it, guys, Quora is an amazing platform if you provide the values to them. Right here you can see so many different niches which I am following, right? Once if you get into these kinds of niches, you will get a lot of right values inside is. Here you can see this, people are giving the answer. If you do it properly, guys, you will get a lot of tons of sale with this. And this is the platform from which I made the sales. Look at this, people are answering the questions related to different affiliate marketing things and so many different things. Okay, like if you select like working at home, if you select this one, there are right 200,000 people here in this one group, guys. People are posting the jobs. Look at this answer, or the question people are asked, this answer has got 100+ upvotes and shared to 30 people, lot of comments, they got it. So if you do it properly, you're gonna get the sale. For example, guys, here you can type video marketing, select this topic, video marketing, and you will be here, right? Video marketing. And here you can see 35,000 people follow this page. You can also follow this page. And once if you follow this page, here you will get the lot of questions, right? And you can answer these questions. Same example, guys, video ads, 1,000 followers, this page have it, and they're right answering people. Here you can see how do you make a free drop shipping video ads. Here you can see this, right? 7 people had upvoted this and they provided values, and look at this, they answer them properly. That's why there are big huge answers are already available. Look at this, they already given the link, so it will go to some other affiliate page or some product. Okay, the same thing. So this is how I promote product, guys. It's just very simple to promote here if you do it properly. So in my next video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can use Quora to promote affiliate product, especially right Fiverr products. Okay, and how you're going to do this without getting banned or getting policy violations. Okay, you can do it properly. So I'm active in Quora, and I'm using Quora from past 3-4 years actively. I never get banned because I do it right. So in my next video, I'll go step by step to show you how to do it properly. So guys, these are the 3 methods which is really going to help you to make a free platform, guys, which will help you to make a sale with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, it's very easy to get into these things. And if you have any doubt, guys, here you can see this. You can go here and the Fiverr user guide, and it will guide you how to do these things. And also, guys, I'm leaving one link here in the description. That is a 3rd link where you can have a frequently asked question. So before you make a sign up, guys, maybe you're promoting ClickBank or some other network, you can carry on that thing, and if you like it, you can get into these questions to clear whether you want to make a sign up on in this or not, right? General questions and commission. To make a sign up, guys, I already given the link in the description. So all these things, if you're clear, you can get into the Fiverr. So hope you like this video, guys. If you like this, give the thumbs up to this video, and if you have anything related to this video, you can comment me down. Do subscribe my channel, guys. Share these free traffic methods to your loved ones so that they can make some money here. Thank you.